The colon is a very important organ in the digestive system. It takes water, salt, vitamins, and nutrients out of food that cannot be digested, break them down in the small intestine, and remove solid waste from the body. Colon cleansing is beneficial because it helps issues such as constipation or irregular bowel movements, and there is some evidence that they can also reduce colon cancer risk. Before starting any colon cleansing treatment, please consult your doctor, especially if you are taking any medications or suffering from any health condition. 1. Water cleanse. Drinking a lot of water and staying hydrated helps the digestive system to regulate well. It is important to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. This will help your body flush out the harmful toxins and waste naturally. 2. Lemon juice. Lemons are good for the digestive system because they have antioxidant properties and are full of vitamin C. For this reason, lemon juice is great for colon cleansing. 3. Saltwater cleanse. Mixing 2 teaspoons of sea salt or pink salt with lukewarm water and drinking it on an empty stomach will stimulate colon movements and break down toxins. 4. Raw vegetable juice. Eating fresh fruits and vegetables high in water content like watermelon and tomatoes a few times a day would be helpful. Chlorophyll in green vegetable helps force out toxin from the body. They also have vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and enzymes which will keep your body healthy. 5. Fiber. Eating foods that are full of fiber will help in cleansing the colon. Fiber will keep the stool soft and increase the bowel movement, which helps the body force out waste products. Foods that are full of fiber will also get rid of any kind of intestinal problem. You can add a lot of fiber to your diet by eating fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds and more. 6. Probiotics. Probiotics help to cleanse the colon and boost good bacteria in the gut. Foods like yogurt, apple cider vinegar and other fermented foods are considered to be good probiotics. It can bring good bacteria into the gut and help digestion. It can also fight inflammatory bowel disease. 7. Flax seed. Because flax seed is full of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and natural fiber, adding it to your diet is a great way to cleanse your colon. It can also block cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. 8. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for killing toxins and acts as a laxative. This makes it a great colon cleanser. Aloe vera gel can also treat other health problems, like headaches, skin infection, diarrhea, gastric pain, and constipation. 9. Ginger. Ginger is a common ingredient that can reduce bloating, help the colon work properly, and keep it free from waste and bad toxins. Watch my other video where I talk about important of ginger. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your families and friends. Bye for now.